In this video, I will show you the gaming performance of Where Winds Meet on the iPad 11 A16. Now, the iPad 11 A16 supports Where Winds Meet on power-saving graphics with extremely high FPS, and it supports balanced graphics with extremely high FPS, quality graphics with extremely high FPS, ultra graphics with extremely high FPS, and it also supports natural graphics with extremely high FPS. Now in today's video, I'll play Where Winds Meet on natural graphics with extremely high FPS. Now before we start the gaming test, let's check the battery percentage. As you can see, the battery is currently at 60%. Now let's start the game.
Hey, don't walk too far. I'll check inside and be right back. Important news to share at the first jar banquet.
Heroin revealed.
Good job.
Going to announce.
No idea. Maybe she'll grant me permission to learn martial arts in the jump.
I can do that.
Sure you can, Hero and Ruby. But we need to head to the General Shrine today. Next time. Increase strongly by much and expose your prey's weakness. An amazing skill.
Now I've been playing Where Winds Meet for a while on the iPad 11 A16, and the gaming performance of Where Winds Meet on extremely high FPS with natural graphics is very good. I did not face any lag, delay, or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the iPad is just a bit warm. And if we check the battery percentage, as you can see, the battery is currently at 55%. Now this time I will play this game on the same graphics settings, but I will start screen recording while playing the game.
Practice still waters. Timing is key. Track the bird's flight. Release at the right moment.
We got one. Say, you're real patient. Even big sunlight leads to you.
Thank you for warning me about Killer Blade, Big Five. Until next time. Hands of the earth, inches apart. Little near. finish, to get to General Shrine. Ruby is still waiting for me.
Now, the gaming performance of Where Winds Meet on the iPad 11 A16 is very good. I did not face any lag or any delay while playing the game, but I faced some minor FPS drops here and there while I was moving my character, and I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game. Now, if we check the battery percentage, as you can see, the battery is currently at 47%, and the temperature of the iPad is warm. And this is the gaming performance of Where Winds Meet on the iPad 11 A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.